Oh my. That's the water sirens. That is a lot of sirens. It's a really good ambiance. That's crazy. So the sirens you heard, the first one you heard doing that whale tone was dryridge, and the second one you heard was hempfeild number 2. Oh man. I haven't heard the second one that you heard going off in what seems like forever. Last time I heard that one going off, it was still summer now. You can see the leaves are turning red. Winter's coming, and you'll be able to hear that siren more clear. However, you probably won't hear it as often because I'm not outside as much during winter time, obviously. But when the leaves are just right, that siren can be heard, and sometimes it makes a very good ambiance. I'm telling you, it's like, yeah, I always hear that one. That's both of the sirens that you just heard are the ones I hear like all the time. I hear both of those like going off constantly. They're either on or they're off. They're just on off every single day, it feels like. I'm just waiting for like another one to go off or something. That second one, the 3T22 you heard earlier, I used to think that was Youngwood, but this is not. That was obviously not Youngwood. Just waiting to hear like I heard a dog barking. I thought it was another siren going off. Both of these sirens do. Most of the time, both of these sirens will run double cycles a lot of the time, so I will sometimes, so it might go off again. This was where I filmed earlier. Oh, it scared me. So, I hear Federal Q now. It's coming from like that direction. I can't tell. I swear it's coming from this side and that side. I heard it somewhere in that direction. Somewhere like in that direction. Just waiting for something else to go off, like Greensburg or Carbon. There's obviously something happening. If I hear a power call, I know it's dryridge because there is one fire. Dryridge is the fire department use fire truck military. Oh, that's a good image right here. Just all these red leaves. Oh, that direction now. It's probably on Route 30. I hear like a horn right there, a fire truck horn. Oh, I hear a whelen. I'm gonna turn my camera off and turn on my scanner.